Fucking hell, looks absolutely crazy. Rest in peace. Fucking hell. Hi guys, and welcome to a new video. A lot's changed and lots happened in the last week, so I've not been uploading as much, but I'll explain to you what's happened. So in my last video I did explain that I was going to be getting, looking to get an engine and a gearbox. Managed to source one, got it delivered, and managed to get some parts off it and ancillary stuff like that. It's in a good position, looks clean. I'll show some footage. It is a bit short because I lost my tripod and found my tripod and lost it again. Working on an engine, trying to hold the camera at the same time is very difficult, so that's that. As you can see by the car, it's not the Fiesta. Now, last Wednesday, I had a T-boned the car and that shot across the giveaway. So, yep, total write-off, airbags gone off, the full works. So, I have now bought myself, I know really quick thinking, a Honda Jazz. Yep, Honda. So I thought, another little daily, but I am going to modify this one because in true, Jack fashion, it'd be rude for me not to. But I mean, it works alright. 80k on the clock, the 1.4 engine, 1.4 petrol. And the only thing that I've noticed is the gearbox is a bit whiny, but you can pick up a gearbox for about £90, so there's nothing that I need to, really worry about there. Need some pads. Stereo don't work, not too sure what's going on. I'll try and switch it around, but as you can see, I don't know if you can see, the stereo, when you turn it on, doesn't seem to do out, it just, none of the buttons seems to work. At the moment I'll give a little walk around and show you the car. I've got a few bruises, a few, bangs and stuff, but I mean, I got it for 620 quid with a 12-month ticket on it, so I am not complaining one bit, and the wipers work, it stays in a straight line, tyres look alright, so for what I paid for it, I can't really complain at all. In regards to insurance, not going through insurance, long story, guys paid me off in cash, so I'm really happy about that. I can get back on the road straight away, get straight to the garage. Update on the engine, obviously I will show there's some footage that I did get, but I didn't get as much as I would like to have done. What a sunny day. And what's today got to bring? What's that, you dirty bitch? Right, so we've got the engine now. Everything's looking okay, apart from what you can see here is I have no oil in my engine crane, so I've had to take the hydraulic arm out so I can have downwards, put some oil in, hopefully replace the ram. Once the ram's replaced, get this lifted and twisted round. Once it's twisted round, prepare for this. So hopefully, shouldn't be too shabby today, and try and get a lot of the ancillaries and crap off. So I was lucky enough to have a friend at a garage around the corner to help me kind of lift this up and kind of mount it on the engine stand. So hopefully we're in a position tomorrow to start clearing all the loom off, any ancillaries on there, and try and just get the whole block cleaned up if you must. But it's looking clean already, I haven't touched it. Obviously I've done a bit of wire brushing just to test the different effects, but I reckon it'll come out quite clean once I finish with it. Some people said use like a mop, sanding mop, so I'm gonna have a look in B&Q tomorrow, see if we get any sanding mops. Hopefully it'll be a bit less aggressive and hopefully get to where I need to. But all that coming off should just be a straight block tomorrow, and hopefully we should be in a good position to start making good progress on this build. I think next point out will be the Type S oil pump, with a new timing chain, and get everything all tidied up in that regard. But I think, yeah, we're on to a winner. Getting there, removing bits off, manifolds off, thermostat, all the lube, access piping, so definitely in a good position. Does look clean, check.